how your booty cheeks showing, and it's okay because a lot of boys be at the club. And it's okay for you to talk to boys and you stay ratchet. You stay ratchet.
What is y'all talking about?
First of all, I don't know what y'all talking about, but
you stay ratchet. You know what I'm saying? What?
Y'all
talking
deaf?
about?
You deaf?
Well, you heard what she said. Anyway.
First of all,
Anyways, like you supposed to have.
hello?
What?
Are you deaf?
That's what you mean
y'all
now.
talking about?
She can go to you can go to the club, and when you go to the club, how you gonna dance? You got to dance just like.
And you're not doing
Because it's all
Let's go.
What's wrong with this generation? That's probably why all these little girls be in the club nowadays. Because y'all mamas teach all that. And y'all think that junk cute.
Stop, drop, and roll. Hey, stop,
One part, drop, and roll.
Hey,
One part, drop, and roll. Stop playing. Y'all got me messed up.
What hood you from?
This ain't from the 40s.
Yeah, don't rap well.
Nah, she might as well rap Mercy.
Why
Why not? You let her go to the club.
Yeah,
Rap Mercy.
Rap Mercy. That's my hood, because they're going to be like, oh, that's Mama D's daughter. Mama D in the house. Girl. You like my rope twist?
Yeah.
Girl, you ain't say nothing about my hair.
I said it was cute.
Yes, girl. Y'all see my rope twist? Mama D look young. Get into
They cannot see your hair.
Get into the hair. They can see it now.
Yeah.
Get into the hair. Get into the rope twist all the way by Martina. All the way from Lakeland. Yes, I ride all the way to Lakeland to get my hair done. But anyways, y'all, what's up? So y'all know me and Mikayla back on this camera. Y'all already know we came up with something. Mama D teaching Mikayla how to be ratchet. Why you yawning on camera, girl?
I don't know. I'm kind of tired.
You tired? You ready for this prank though? You ready for this prank? So I'm teaching Mikayla how to be ratchet. I'm gonna just be talking to her. We finna get the boys' reaction. Mama D being a bad parent. Mama D just teaching her daughter how to be real ratchet. I'm talking about when you go to the club.
Huh? Oh, shoot, I was zoned out.
I was zoned out too because I didn't know what I was saying. But anyways, yes, I'm just gonna do something.
Teaching me how to be ratchet.
I'm teaching her how to be ratchet. I'm teaching her and teaching her, telling her she can go to the club when she gets 17. I'm gonna tell her she need to be wearing short shorts. So I'm finna make her put on some shorts, not no short shorts, but some short shorts. The Mama D got on her little, little cute little outfit or whatever little workout outfit. And then I got on my little band. Just acting like I just came in just to teach her how to be ratchet. Cause what? Cause we hanging out there with our ratchet. Let's go. We're gonna be singing that, y'all. Let's go. Mikayla, you ready?
Yeah.
This finna be fun. This gonna go ahead and set the camera up. My phone ringing. So anyway, so y'all stay tuned and it's about to go down.
Yeah,
Quick little reactions. What?
The boys about to go crazy.
They about to go crazy. Yes.
But y'all will get back with y'all when the camera's set up.
Yes.
Well, we'll be getting the video started.
But no, we finna go ahead and get this prank done ASAP because I'm ready to get it out of the way. We've been talking about this prank for like 3 days. And plus, we just need to get back to work. We need to give our fans something to look at. You know what I'm saying? So, yeah, y'all stay tuned. Again, my rope twists are by Martine. I'm going to shout her out on our Instagram. So, if you want to get your rope twist done from her, feel free to go ahead and do it. I'll put her information below. But y'all stay tuned and we will be back.
A few moments later.
I ain't gonna lie, bro.
It's good.
Bro, these wings were so far today.
Yeah, but anyways, but like I was telling you, it's kind of good to be, it's kind of good to be ratchet a little bit. You can be ratchet. You can be ratchet a little bit. You can go to the club. I want you to go to the club. I don't care if somebody hit you, somebody look at you.
She's too young for the club.
You do that.
She's too young for the club.
What?
She too young for the club.
Anyways, but like I'm saying, it's okay to be ratchet. Like when you go to the club, that's how you supposed to be. You supposed to do dancing like that. Hey, what did girl say? Cause I'm hanging out there with my ratchet ass friend. Let's go. Yeah, see, and that's how you got to do it. So let me see how short. You got to pull the shorts up like this. Have them, you know what I'm saying? Have your booty cheeks showing. And it's okay because a lot of boys be at the club. And it's okay for you to talk to boys, but Don't let nobody try you, and you stay ratchet. You stay ratchet.
What is y'all talking about?
First of all, I don't know what y'all talking about, but
You stay ratchet. You know what I'm saying? What?
Y'all
What y'all talking about?
You deaf?
Boy, you heard what she said.
First of all,
Anyways, like you supposed to have.
hello.
What?
Are you deaf?
That's what you
What
mean
y'all
now.
talking about?
I'm telling her that she can go to the club as soon as she gets 17.
You sound.
She can go to you can go to the club, and when you go to the club, how you gonna dance? You got to dance just like.
And you're not doing
Because stop playing.
Let's go. And you got to do just like that.
First of all, what you know about?
Shake your legs.
Y'all
Like
gotta
that.
be playing.
Yeah, you can shake like that.
You're not shaking nothing but bones.
You gotta
First
do
of
it like
all.
that. I don't know how to do it no more. You know, you gotta just shake it like that. But I'm just saying though, it's okay to be ratchet.
Why is it okay to be ratchet?
Because it's okay to be ratchet.
Why she can't be classy? Why she gotta be ratchet? though?
Because classy is boring.
Classy born. Nobody men don't
Who
like
said that?
Men don't want no ratchet girl.
Men don't like no boring women.
What?
They like ratchet women. They like the girls with the 30-inch all down.
Who told y'all
They
that?
like cars.
Who told
That's
y'all
what
that?
y'all like.
How you know
Who is
That's
y'all?
like y'all like that. Hang out all the way down. But when you go to the club, you got to do. You know what I'm saying? You can just be dance like that, like your ratchet.
No, first of all, you don't.
Let's go. What?
You don't even know how to twerk.
Yes, I do how to twerk.
Don't try my mama.
No,
She
you
trying to
moving
teach me
nothing,
something.
but-
I used to know how to twerk. Boy, I
You
am
used to.
twerking.
No, I don't want to see. Come on.
Let's go.
That's
First of all, okay.
F-R-E-E.
Mikayla, shut up. G-Junk, like for all
That
those
is
know what you talking about.
Back up, nigga. Cut up.
I-N-G-L-E.
Cause I'm hanging on the floor with my ratchet ass. Let's go. Hey, how you can do a split? Let's go. Let's go. Hey, let's go.
What is y'all doing?
Like, like, stop playing with me. All just stop playing with me though. Like for real, G-Junk.
Why you tripping?
Cause y'all, what you mean? Why I'm tripping? First of all, Mikayla, shut up. First of all, cause it'll be a water park and that'll be our
That's what I'm
club.
saying.
First of all, why are you, Mom? You sound crazy telling your daughter she can
It's
go.
nothing wrong with me teaching my daughter to go to the club and be ratchet.
That's what's wrong with this
I
generation.
told her she could
That's
go
probably why. That's probably why all these little girls be in the club nowadays.
That's what I'm saying, like-
Cause y'all mamas teach all that, and y'all think that junk cute.
It's okay, mamas know best. Mamas know best.
So,
But it's okay.
alright, mamas know best. So what if the club gets shot up? Then what? And your daughter in the club?
Why would you allow her to be in that?
You told your
You
daughter.
gotta run. You better run. And you better go. You better stop, drop, and roll. Stop, drop, and roll. Stop, drop, and roll. Hey, stop,
Water park, drop and roll.
Hey,
Water park, drop and roll. Stop playing. Y'all got me messed up.
Well, I just got my hair done.
I don't care nothing. Mom, stop.
I just got my motherfucking hair done.
First
I
of
know
all,
you
you're not about to teach my little sister how to twerk.
Oh, yeah, you're not
First
gonna be
of all.
pouring no water.
I'm about to put some water on all on you.
And that's how you gotta be in the club. You gotta get ratchet with them. Get ratchet with them. And when they go ratchet, you gotta swing on them. You gotta
You teach her everything but around hands.
Don't swing. You gotta be when they run up on you. You gotta be just like that. You gotta teach her how to fight. You gotta teach her how to be ready in the real world. You gotta teach her how to
defend herself.
First of all,
be ready.
You gotta teach her how to be humble.
you teaching her how to fight for all the wrong reasons.
I'm teaching her.
First of all, if she was in the club, it wasn't in the club. She wouldn't even.
That would have
know
said
how
she
to
wouldn't
fight.
even be having a fight.
What you buying? Why you telling your daughter?
I'm
to go
just
to the
saying because
club?
that's how you're supposed to be.
Like,
You
you
can go.
sound so
I just want her to wear short shorts. I want her to show her
Why you
body.
gotta do that though?
Because she got a nice body. I want her to show her body.
That sounds.
Yeah.
I want you to show out. I just want you to show your little shape, not your body, but a little shape. I want you to show your shape, and I want you to get. You know what I'm saying? It's okay to be ratchet.
First of all,
it's okay to get in the club.
Mikayla Jones won't be showing.
At ratchet, you hit me with your hand, child, but it's okay for you to be in the club and get rowdy. What club? What street you from? What hood you from? What Mercy? You ain't from no Mercy.
This ain't from the 40s.
Yeah, don't rap well.
Nah, she might as well rap Mercy.
Why
Why not? You let her go to the club.
Yeah,
Rap
what's
Mercy.
up? Rap Mercy. That's my hood, because they gonna be like, oh, that's Mama D's daughter. And I ain't gonna miss what they did when that song come on, because I'm hanging out the with my ratchet. Let's go!
Y'all look
let's
so
go!
Y'all really should.
Let's go!
This the most stupidest thing
I ain't gonna lie, this is the dumbest
Let's
thing
go!
I've ever seen. First of all,
Y'all did a lot of stupid things.
Y'all
This
look
the most stupid
stank
thing
and
I've
dirty.
seen y'all
They
do.
hate
them
it.
girls in the club be looking dumb dirty.
Why they hate it?
Outfit
My
be
nigga
cute,
water.
but be
Only
dirty.
you know who told
and
you that
stank.
people like
So
stuff.
we ain't dirty and stank.
Y'all-
Be hating.
Y'all dirty.
We ain't dirty and
You
stank.
teaching your 15-year-old daughter to do that.
You
That's what I'm
mad?
saying.
Mike said how old you is.
You mad?
Child's place. Ain't you
You mad? Cause she get it from her mama.
Alright.
Hey, she get it from her mama.
I'm gonna call grandma then.
Hey, call grandma. We don't give a damn.
You don't?
Cause I'm grown, baby. I can teach my daughter. That's what I had a daughter. She ain't teach me that.
Still, that ain't
She
the
didn't
right
teach
stuff.
me how to be ratchet.
So why would you teach your daughter how to do
why
Because
would
I
you
want
teach
to
her?
prepare my daughter for the world. I
So
wanna
being
prepare
ratchet-
you. Prepare you.
That sounds
You
so
prepare you for the world. And if somebody mess with you, you call who? Mama who?
I got myself, but
You got yourself, but you call Mama D. Mama D. That's right. Cause I'm Cause I'm hanging out there with my ratchet.
Come on, just chill. Just
Let's
chill. Just
go.
chill. Y'all. Well, just chill. What y'all doing?
Hey, it's a prank. It's a prank.
real good. That was just a look.
It's a prank.
So lame.
It's a prank. You already know Mama D ain't finna teach her child how to be
What
ratchet,
type of
baby.
prank is that though? Like the
A ratchet.
Come on, ratchet
You
prank.
still got
A ratchet prank.
And we
Dumb
hanging out
lame.
the window
With our ratchet friends, let's go. Hey, let's go. Team Mama D and Team Mikayla.
All I know is both of them.
Mike, you mad?
Y'all, first of all, y'all didn't even know the song. Y'all
Oh
was
no, I ain't know the song. I ain't know the song.
y'all,
You mad?
I ain't gonna lie more. Y'all come up with the most.
Get up.
You mad?
I'm gonna get out my face.
Y'all
You
come
mad?
up with the most lamest jump.
Team Mama D and Mikayla. They mad. They mad.
I ain't gonna lie. Y'all
They
come up
mad.
with the most lamest jump.
Stupidest jump.
The most dumbest jump.
Mama D want to teach her daughter how to be ratchet.
That wasn't even funny.
Why that one fetch, right? That what I want.
And I hope that prank don't do no numbers.
Y'all go ahead and comment below if y'all liked that prank. Team Mama D and Team Mikayla in the house on the road to 50K. Y'all make sure y'all cut on that notification bell. Cause it's lit over here. Lit in real life over here. It's lit. It's lit over here. Lit over here. Woo! Oh, you mad, Mike? How that was lame. But anyways, y'all go ahead and like, comment, and subscribe. And DGF gang, we are out.